My Chapter 4 question reads, the molarity of HCl is 0.200 in 2500 ml of solution. How many grams of HCl is in the solution? So this is the equation that we'll be using to solve this. Molarity equals mole over volume in liters. So first, as we can see in the question, the volume is 2500 ml, but we have to convert that into liters. So I took 2500 ml and multiplied that by 1 liter, the unit that we want, over 1000 milliliters, and that gave me 2.5 liters. So then I plugged in what we knew about the equation into the equation. So I took 0.200, the molarity, equals mole, what we want to know, over 2.5 liters, the volume. And you'll multiply 2.5 liters on both sides to cancel it out. And 2.5 liters times 0.200 is 0.50 HCl. Okay, so we know that there's 0.5 moles of HCl. Then I calculated the molecular weight of HCl, so I took 1.00794, the atomic weight for hydrogen, plus 35.4527, the molecular weight of chlorine, and that gave me 36.46 grams/mole. So to convert the mole into grams, I multiplied 0.50 mole of HCl times 36.46 grams is molecular weight over 1 mole. So in this case, the moles would cancel out, and if you multiply 0.50 by 36.46 grams, you'll get 18.23 grams. So there's 18.23 grams of HCl in the solution.